Say we wanted to make a line perpendicular to another line, but through a given point, not just at random. So we have our original line, and we know if we want to be perpendicular, the slope of our perpendicular line has to be a negative reciprocal of the other line. So if it has a slope of 2/3, our perpendicular line has a slope of -3/2. Slope of -3/2, point of 1, -2. So to put it through a given line, we're going to go y equals mx plus b. We need to figure out b. So y of -2 equals m (-3/2) times x of 1 plus b. -2 equals (-3/2) plus b. Add 3/2, add 3/2. b equals -2 plus 3/2. We can think about -2 as (-2/1) times top and bottom by 2 to give it the same denominator, and we get -4/2 plus 3/2 equals b, or in other words, -1/2. So our final line would be y equals m (-3/2) x plus b, or -1/2. And this line, this equation, would be perpendicular to this line, but would go through this point. Now, notice this was already put in slope-intercept form. So if you were given an equation that wasn't in slope-intercept form, say in standard form, and we want to put it through a given point, the first thing we would need to do is solve for y. To do so, if we minus 2x to both sides, -y equals -2x plus 1, divide by -1 to both sides, and we get y equals 2x minus 1. So we would then be at where we started the other problem at, being we want to find a line perpendicular to this one through this given point. So our first thing we would identify is a slope of 2, which is 2/1. So our perpendicular slope would need to be -1/2, and we could proceed to make a line given this slope and this point.